G'day guys, Gordon at Blue Tongue Industries. I wanted to go over a new genre which I think will be a great value add for your cleaning business, or this particular idea may stand alone in its own business model. How many times do we see powder coated windows, powder coated balustrade, doors that are faded due to the elements, so the powder coating breaking down to oxidize? So the PowderCoat Restore is going to restore luster to faded, oxidized, powder coated surfaces. So whether it's handrails, door frames, window frames. So it's UV stable, it's not going to yellow, it's water based, there's no solvents in the product. It'll dry 15 to 30 minutes and watertight after 2 to 3 hours. It can be wiped on, as we're going to do shortly, or misted on. We don't want it to pool because we will get runs. The big questions are, how long will the product last? So like any painted surface, sealed deck, it'll depend on the elements, but it is going to restore luster to your faded, oxidized surfaces and give you another idea for an easy bolt-on in your current cleaning business or as a standalone business. So it's as simple as moistening a cloth and wiping the surface. So it'll be touch dry 15 to 30 minutes, and that is the way the surface is going to retain, or that the luster in that faded powder coat will be retained by the application of this water-based sealer. So even with the quick application that we've just done, you can see where I've finished the brush off there on the powder coat, and what a difference it does make, and the amplitude of scenarios that you could, if you're in the window cleaning business, offer an initial clean and then a powder coat or rejuvenation of those particular faded surfaces. It's an easy bolt-on to your current business or a new standalone business. A powder coated balustrade, simple. Wipe on, let it dry. The luster and the rejuvenation of that particular surface will be left like that. You could second coat it to retain a greater consistency on that particular surface. It can be misted, but don't allow it to pool. So I've hoped I've sparked an idea to add on to your business. Keep an eye out, bluetongueindustries.com.au, for all up and coming new products even beyond this, and this particular product, the PowderCoat Restore, can be seen on our website at bluetongueindustries.com.au. But check it out, and we're happy to build businesses because we build together and we grow together. Thanks guys.